your door too long. It's way past the time I should have gone, but my heart had such high hopes for you. Now I know that you don't care now.